Hi, in this tutorial, we are going to create a glowing noise material. First, create a material, then click to open a window. Next, set the shading mode of material to unlit. Next, after creating the noise node and when you preview it, a noise texture appears on the material. Make the noise larger by entering a smaller scale value in the detail of the noise node. Next, set the function as fast gradient. Next, set the level to 3, output min to around -0.6 to make the noise soft. Now, make the noise simple by setting a level scale value to 1. Create a 1- node and a power node. Set the value of the power node to 10. Connect the nodes like the video. When previewing the power node, you can see the stripes of noise glowing. Next, after creating the absolute world position node, create 2 component masked nodes. Then, connect them to an absolute world position node. Among the 2 component masked nodes, the one has only red, and the other one has green and blue. After creating 2 append nodes, create the panner node. Use one append node to connect nodes like the video. Next, connect the remaining append node to the panner speed pin. Create 2 parameter nodes by holding down S on the keyboard and clicking them, then give them their names. Next, connect the parameter nodes with the append node. Next, connect the append node with the noise node. Create a 3-color blend node. Next, hold down keyboard 3 and click to create 3 constant 3-vector node. Set each to the desired color. Once set, connect the nodes to the 3-color blend node. Next, create a time node while pressing D on the keyboard and click to create a divide node, and then connect them together. Then, create a parameter node, set its name and value, and connect it to the divide node. Next, create a sign node and connect it with the divide node. Next, create a saturate node and connect it to the sign node to limit the value of the sign node from 0 to 1. After that, connect the saturate node to the 3-color blend node and connect the 3-color blend node to the emissive color node of the material. Lastly, press M on the keyboard and click to create the multiply node. Connect the power node and the 3-color blend node to the multiply node and connect the multiply node to the emissive color. When completed, save and return to the content browser. Right-click the material created so far to make the material instance. Take the desired mesh from the place actor and place it in the level. Then, apply the instance to the mesh or floor of the level. Now, click Instance to open the window. When you check the parameters and input values, you can see the noise moving and its color changing.